Open floor plan. Are you looking for that move-in ready 4-bedroom 3 full bath home with a 3-car garage? Schedule your tour of this very well-maintained home, which includes many upgrades. Tile is throughout the living area, laminate flooring in 3 of the bedrooms, and Corian countertops in the bathrooms. The open kitchen boasts stainless steel kitchen appliances that are only 1 year old, granite countertops, wood cabinets, and includes a wine fridge. Additional upgrades include water heater and water softener included, instant hot with reverse osmosis system included, fans throughout all the rooms. The master bedroom is large with 2 walk-in closets, shower and garden tub for your relaxation. As you step outdoors, you will enjoy the screened lanai with built-in kitchen, which includes a grill, fridge, sink and electric. The background is large enough to build a pool and is fenced for side privacy. The oversized lot has a pond and no backyard neighbors. No flood insurance required. Pack your bags, this house is ready for you to call your home.